Welcome back. Some blue balloons. Maybe we'll decorate a ceiling fan. Happy Hanukkah. Well, that was easy, opening that package. Nice. Includes 24 balloons. And directions. So there's 3 colors, red, blue, and yellow. Let's start with those blue. Oh, pretty ribbon strings. Okay, now I think we're ready. Here we go. That's great! Wow, look at those beautiful blue balloons for Hanukkah. That's wonderful. There's one for you. And one for you. One for you. Beautiful, beautiful blue balloons. One for you. Blue balloon for you. And hey, what about that? Yup, you guessed it, ceiling fan. Balloons, blue balloons for the ceiling fan.
See how that goes. Going. Oh! Yay! Blue ceiling fan balloons have a happy Hanukkah. There we go. Yay! Thanks for joining me today. And hope you stay wonderful. And yellow ones for another day.